Abusia Counselor Lutterodt say the students are not supposed to bring phones to school. Enti no kwan say GES remove KNUST Headmaster no.
Na me GS force your mind don't want suspend papa na why dey.
Timi enka say.
Na follow teacher no ko ni fear.
So what can say
more? Follow teacher no ko ni fear. No so ya de fofo.
Okay.
Why they record here?
O sha abofra na record here.
Omo right some phone go square.
Debi.
Okay. And after the CIA ka say Ghana Oma launching new passenger train from Tema to Afienya.
Yes. We are going to Norway. Norway.
Abusia, stay with us. Let's walk you through the stories. Welcome back to AfriPulse TV. Awesome for slide and I can see Abusia. We are what? We are back. I see about say ya. They be a me catch us say buy a bond. Say no what? Short. It's an so VC 10 amen coordinate. Information they say. Hey, thought. Man, one here. Yeah, you're on. Say next na your first time I watch chance up on our videos. Now if you want to subscribe button now the bell notifications was hiding at on. Say be our next video be an updates be an ubenya notification wherever you find yourself. Abusia unim okay say information better about thing and video be better about thing. Na Sakola Headmaster bi. Oko KNUST. Omo senior high na ewo ho no na. Omo Headmaster Academics. Mr. Akwesi Charles Bedu and as Mr. Charles Akwesi Bedu. Video we better about thing on female students back. Almost so no Headmaster Academics no ne officer omo ye nyoma omo ye things no mo ntete ho no keke na they were doing things omo di agora mpanimfo edi e wo Headmaster Academics ne office video no ye hu se akola no ekisi Headmaster no na pempem na apa no akola no kisi na Headmaster na pempem we ena Headmaster no so ne nsanam girl ne boso menim se girl no nimuye ne ya ena yama Headmaster no ointment say on fa massage girl no ne boso say be ya pain na girl ni feel ni ebe cool say o mama Headmaster no medical advice bi say wada ono wada ne ho mansa ana kan say maso ana kan o ma square no massage amanfo no or the office honum or the academics office honum no adane spa female spa, when you male spa, female spa, and on massage, female students, no, on massage or monsana or mukon. Omo bonkwan age, omo bonkwan a Headmaster or massage or office on. I was on the video this particular incident, and as to how a video never be talk about 10 years. Nobody knows. Na video ni better about TV no. Ghana Education Service. Or me later be talk about thing say investigation say the air course into Headmaster na oye in question no. On tinan chain. Or more removing that tinan chain on my investigations about the happen or the office on money. I was on decided to be talk about TV no. Counselor Lutterodt wababe kasa wababe change 2 cents or for this particular incident. Counselor Lutterodt say first question master no any student no why na record the video why na record the incident no yes see a student no or say okay why na do no kwan say all the phone able school yes see a student no or say okay and yes adia GES and as a Ghana Education Service omo ni ho kwan omo ni any moral right say omo be sake and as omo be remove Mr. Charles Akwesi Edu Atinanchen. Simply because one forces students and then students no new rights or the phone able school and or the phone able school then wababe record the incident na happen in the nutshell no near Counselor Lutterodt person what can you say punish innocent one for nonsense. Ni akola ne ye ho no akola ne de phone ball school ebe video ni on Headmaster Academics nonsense inti ni ye punish Headmaster na ono ye innocent no. Sometimes on let's not say I'm a dream Counselor Lutterodt ni statement di ma ya o make wo Ghana anwa na me mpese make a sentiam penifo bi mo Ghana ha no because you don't know where this life is going to take you to. What I say, we nimba be a life we edo be kwa kudru. Inti obi on ma okasa na nimba sa. later some few years along the line obetumi akwa kushia di pa no ba bia anka e bia na yes keke ebetumi ayiridi e dia ma sa particular dey we ntimi kan ya be nchira amanfo bi mu Ghana ha enye sa anka ne nseba anka ye be ka hwe council Lutterodt e wa pa no papa pani we to say Mr. Akwasi Bedu. Papa pani we as old as you are to say Mr. Akwasi, Mr. Charles Akwasi Edu. Me assure say obe wo ba bi kra ho no ma obe train this female students. But what in actually apply we actual office and I will smooch no. Councillor Lutterodt so make me ntia ye punish innocent one because Aprano has no right to bring phone to school. Entino teacher na ye boni bia ni kwan say ye remove teacher no. Abuja Councillor Lutterodt ebisa say na omabre teacher ni na na so omabre headmaster na letter no. Student no ne letter wo he fan na. Expecting say oma remove teacher ni na si nchen no. Oma remove headmaster na si nchen no. Student in question no so ye man letter. Ne how na say charity begins at home. Enti akwara no Oman titini ye ewo fi eni no so timi nya this particular akwanya eba headmaster office eni ni bedi enia momo sebu ya o sign video omo no. Enti in a nutshell no Councillor Lutterodt episode train say headmaster Charles Akwasi Edu innocent. How can you tell me say this master we innocent about near happen ewo office on? Abuja dia unya he video na o de renia headmaster no any student no omo ye office hono. Headmaster ye students abro say he so ema na disia enkoli wo headmaster no so unsa nye headmaster domestic ya kase bia akola no ne dormitory ana say ne domestic needs hunsem o ye headmaster academics assistant headmaster academics una students no omadisia omo education na ankasa no una fapem na esi una so enti se otimi akola smuchi say emia boobs no ewo office say ya na Councillor Lutterodt me hu say bia oda sorry no wonni di enti na watinya ba det na say kikan se bui anase bia won so wona wo yere ewo problem bi wo fie enti na ade chi na wa bet na kikan this particular nsem ne dia because Councillor Lutterodt won sem a wo kan nyina no they are all going over the bar. Nsem a Councillor Lutterodt over the kan nyina they are all going off the bar. You cannot come and then say students have no right to bring phones to school. Intino headmaster no innocent. To say GES, I'm a headmaster no letter there. And your student no so omumbe man letter. Oh, kasa koti articles nani ade. Meanwhile, you know perfectly well say I didn't headmaster no whether say students any man consent say onye and I say students nanti student nti say onyo. Headmaster shouldn't do that in his office. When so brebe na yembra ansa na yakase we edi achiro Councillor Lutterodt. Councillor Lutterodt say headmaster no GS any ho kwan bia say o man sanction letter and I say GS any ho kwan say o removing the sin chain. Esan say GS e na say most students for phone in school. Enti students na wi na honde phone about school no and the parents anhwe ni ye wo fie ni nti ntiti ye pa the parents have a man wo fie no enu nti na students no aba or the phone eba on headmaster o mu play romance office abusia me mbom de nsama Councillor Lutterodt ka ni nyina no me mark no 0.1 out of 100 sana me no marks me de ba Councillor Lutterodt no 0.1 out of 100 every come out of 1,000. Because nsem Councillor Lutterodt ebe ka ni nyina bomb booklet nsem hunko na Councillor Lutterodt ebe ka abusia sebe ya wankaza nso beti asema American ya si na onso wetinya mark Councillor Lutterodt na wa he marks wankaza de mama na no pe nsem a obekan no wankaza oditi nsem Councillor Lutterodt e kan kire GES4
na me GS4 so why don't want suspend papa na why
there be more or less like say on tran chance
na yenye dey
the assistant headmaster academic of
So then what is the essence of the
moved?
I feel like that. And yeah, you know.
Yes.
How you nephew?
Yes. Yeah. Investigation.
The offense in here then.
Okay, until say one. Okay, main call number 2. I say management views this matter with utmost seriousness, in line with commitment to safeguarding the integrity of the teaching profession and ensuring the safety and welfare of students under our care. Mr. Edu has already been removed from office and prohibited from going to the school while thorough investigations are being carried out. Management assures the general public, stakeholders, parents, students that due process will be followed and appropriate disciplinary action taken in accordance with the code of conduct of the Ghana Education Service. I mean, it goes on and on. But no part.
School girl who select already.
Oh no, ye nim your my energy. Ye intimi enkase.
Now, follow teacher no konifie.
So I can say more.
Follow teacher no konifia. No say ade fofo.
Okay.
Why they record here?
O sha bofra na record here.
I'm all right, so I'm for phone go square now.
Debbie.
Okay. I mean, let's not. Nobody's justifying error, but let's think aloud. A video is circulating on social media, yes or no?
Yes.
Who posted it? Who recorded it? Under the Cyber Security Act, what does the Act say in 2008? What is the Act saying? Does children of that age have the right to take phones to school?
Debbie.
Whose phone was used? Was it the headmaster's phone? Who was recording? Was it the headmaster recording?
Debbie.
Will this serve as a deterrent for the student or for the headmaster?
Both.
This will not be any deterrent for anybody. If you ask me, this is a punishment of uselessity. Do you know what I'm saying? That you are punishing the headmaster for what?
The council share Papa Penya.
What are you punishing the headmaster for? Per the letter you read.
For indiscipline.
Where did you see that in the letter?
Going against the code of conduct.
What is the code of conduct?
Then we need to approach the GE.
So I'm saying that what the letter they wrote. Read the letter.
But Omo Chel said clearly he has gone against their code.
What has he gone against? Was he recording himself? Who was doing the recording?
He was caught in the act.
Who was doing the recording?
The lady.
And who doesn't have right to bring phone to school?
Akwalano.
So who broke the rule?
Akwalano.
Okay.
But
don't go there.
Don't
go there. Don't go there, Sebo. Let's raise our children like we are doing zookeeping and poultry farming. And punish the innocent ones in the name of preserving these things that I call nonsense. What does it make sense?
Nonsense for one alpha.
What does it make sense? I didn't send him. And since I collect the phone because school in the first place. Since I got your phone on you, iPhone. One shot, let's see, and I didn't na tomano.
That's why I'm to a man film from school.
Now, on the end of where I school, bro.
It's on our way on who the best.
What's our heading?
We are not.
It's not a crop for we are there watching or Sanko the heading. So get here, crop for
Ghana Airport. Say immigration for no more home. And then customs, border patrols, whatever we call it in Ghana. Say obitimi smuggle drugs. Do we blame the one carrying the drugs or the one supposed to prevent it?
We blame those. The first thing is that we blame the one carrying the drug.
You blame the one carrying the drug?
Yes, because he's too smart.
Yes. And why won't you blame the one who is being paid?
Did you put system in place? No, did you put system in place or put human being in place?
You put human beings to run
no,
system.
So systems can fail. And when the system fails, you can't blame me, the one sitting behind the system. As I'm sitting here right now, if another station is transmitting to what you're saying, or that I'm saying is not going on, should we blame you?
Say technically.
So there's what?
Technically.
Well, who is sitting behind the console?
But the console is just a little part of broadcasting.
Clap for yourself. The young girl was having a mobile phone as a little part of broadcasting.
Broadcasting.
If the video didn't go out, would GES write the letter you just read?
No. That means that there's a loophole.
In whose part?
At the site of supervision.
No, it's not in who?
Yes.
Who? GS will follow the headmaster to his room, his bedroom. The child carrying a phone.
Supervises the headmaster.
The headmaster needs supervision.
Of course.
To
make sure he's conducting.
So that he will case without recordings.
That's all supporting Papa.
I'm not supporting Papa. Me say. And Kolana Sro. Asro. Am I a show? Obake 26 years. Phone what Pamano. Na kola 26 years use phone na. And man say no call is working over phone ko. Alain, then yenya. Yeah, wine. What's the penny so? Am I a million for record this? Now, see, Penina, I am from Swap Matthias here. Now, getting your phone, no one here recording. Why the post here?
I say, Crampo Bito phone, I'm afraid. It be quiet to me, or Media needs to come to me to now. I collect me to Susan is got to phone. Yeah, medicine. 50 pesos who don't cool ever boo for 1 week. May I share no more 50 pesos? On can't just go count fee. Or do fear and Kakastic when you say, Pooh, near 50 pesos, I can shake I don't know. I'm saying that the child, the parenting has become zookeeping and poultry farming. Can we rise above the non-corporal punishment in our schools? Now you can't touch anybody's child in school anymore. Are you aware? What do you mean, Tiano? What do you mean, Tiano? Tiano a bronco.
What say? We are more against Gabu Rabbit High radio. What we? And you're Branca, one can say, be our Danny. Oh, I did be. A Bona, you see. Anya Branca can be married. Etiatia and boo, me born in Nasi, no, I'm here.
Bro, Amobi, Nenefra.
Obia near Frebia, and then you Frada, then you brought a man in Fryer.
Yes,
I can say, you're careful the way we are. Because charity doesn't begin in school. Are you aware? It begins at home. So if we will send the roof rat these things to our teachers in school and expect them whose hands has been tied behind, that you're to shout and tear them, look. Me say me ko yi miti sakura. Me ko yi miti sakura. Ya am punishing wo fie nko a. Assembly ye go before you. Say ma ko yi miti sakura. Ma me supervise. 2 weeks me go train fie. Me buy am ko do e. From that day, ukita scissors any blade I mean ben. This ma me dey yi miti ma me. What are we doing to ourselves? Parenting has gone now on autopilot.
On the make say me market counselor Lutterodt 0.1 out of 1,000 and I say 100. I say charity begins at home. And the students now on the phone about school. The parents and out of phone the amano. Into the phone about school na say on a headmaster a play romance office no must record the better internet no so. As I say over punish students no so fine. The student also has to be punished. And I say the student has to be questioned. A fact and our kind of but don't say headmaster innocent. Sakola man we also be innocent. Ghana open mom ye wicked or Ghana pa a your mom muti pa. Number 1, a man be our best ko. Number 1, a man be our bedi obedia komya is on dia komya bi. Number 2, a headmaster be. Number 3, a some man na obedia komya and the vice president. Number 4, a former finance minister. Oh, until Bagana has to see ya. Wicked people are gonna hang in a Sakola man for. Into headmaster, we that's our counselor Lutterodt. Nimi who counselor Lutterodt in a Yansa Semba Copa Wakama Mati, and I Semba Copa Wakama who say Abba, and a Yansa a time a fella Macafuni medica. Omoare, you know. Counselor Lutterodt Ebeka say Nipa o introduce fella and then medical. What caused some great harm. It's say they were supposed to be business partners, but Nipa or advice Emma almost started a car or double essay or Mohokawano. Nipa na caused some great harm. I vividly supported you, but in Sema is here okay. I quite say Wakakofa calabash, no Wakakofa bottle water, no attend calabash, no you can soon go calabash in the chino. On the calabash in the Chinapa to say headmaster reality over pepe. The counselor to Sema Oka really they are all below the belt. Yet the scenes on Yania and Trim weights be a shame into Quansan bread beam. Abusia a with council Lutterodt, utu council Lutterodt on too much. And here, utu council Lutterodt on too much. And here, na was she our care biswa Eddie Adia Baby boat. Obviously, a with council Lutterodt on one as I own to know for maybe a ubi and some na obekai and some one or babekai. Aye. Of Elbusia me found quatema afina. You do on CCA, I can say Ghana. Ghana launch new passenger train. Okay, I say NP for me train me by Emma train. No, yeah, they got test run now. Man for the new Makubu my train no crash. Emma I call repair train. No, Emma Nana yes I call test run. CCA I can say yeah, they are for passengers. I could drop you more. I was say okay, this is the ampa train. No, a bit near a passenger work. Ghana ha. Now train here they call tema to a fina. Now even crown passengers about the full train be na I can only say a new timer. I say Ghana ankasa you train a check. Sa to temrena net train a year from City Accra tema to Takra then is a man a chum. Sa kind of training in a chum. Into some modern trains we nearby, you know. She see a Ghana for now, we penning for Papanko California, never funny sure. Young boys and girls near and shed and full train than here the other. Into passengers for nearby and can remain free, you'll be and you'll be a ska. Into squad, Baba, 4 years. Tema to a finger.
Yes, we are going to Norway. Norway.
Vamos para sua. O Quaba. Eu vou Dubai. Eita. Eu vou a última wapa o passo. Qual é?
Yeah, folks, what's up?
Everything is now must working, you know? Okay.
Now, on the train, your button and as your equipment be on my ubet me a train, not train a call emergency landing, everything ya kujina in case the be happy emergency stopping near the other. Train in quite so I echo emergency young by no Ghana ni bibini aqua train button. I'm a train aqua kujina 20 feet. On the day I can for them. Train I echo na bibians, you know. Passenger now, oh, ya fall free. Won't you even a dime? Walk out train button. I'm a train aqua kujina or quite so. And the train kujina, and Anka train and Tiania Dmanko Bima, and Kaosa gun and new chrono. Also, passenger now, what from train free, you know, and Cadena Roca. But I was here almost use that opportunity, no, Eddie educate you almost say, Sadi we, Ubimiaswa, as a Ubimiaswa, bra, the BSc, train, ain't mean kujina, time and I best to place Abeno. But in your time, a train you go free, and I your own some money, and I picture, and a BBR bed taxi, and I'll go so bad in the train. I was on the video.
9 a.m. some passengers had gathered at the Afianyan station to join the maiden passenger service on the Temanimpakadan rail line. On board were the Minister for Transport, Joseph Bukari Nikpe, the CEO of the Ghana Railway Development Authority, Dr. Frederick Apor, and a team of engineers. In some communities, residents have poured sand on the rail line to create crossing for vehicles. In one instance near the Tema industrial area, a herd of cattle nearly obstructed the train's movement. A sudden stop later in the journey left engineers puzzled until they discovered that a passenger had engaged the emergency brake unknowingly.
Earlier before the train stopped. I don't know. I'm not being this god, you know. And I don't think maybe people touch emergency, you know, and do it because being this problem from emergency break.
But it's nothing serious.
At the moment, it's all right. Everything is okay.
Director, Policy Planning, Research, Monitoring and Evaluation, Al-Amin Al-Hassan, explained the need for passengers to follow strict rules on the train. Within 10 minutes, engineers restarted the train.
This is machine, you know.
Some passengers shared their experience with the news team.
Yes, and this one is far better. It will help, but what we want is that we should protect how it is and maintain it.
Traffic is too much, and I really enjoy the aircon.
The air condition is your sweetest part.
Yes.
You love it?
Yeah, I really love it.
Yeah, this is my first time. Yeah.
How's it like?
It was cool and enjoyable.
Along the route, dumping of refuse and encroachment on the shoulders of the rail line was also visible. The Transport Minister warned residents to desist from encroaching on the rail corridor.
The government is planning to improve upon our rail system to be able to take our passengers, to be able to take our cargo. And I'm happy today that finally we have put the train to move.
We saw some of the reporters in there complain that people are beginning to fill some of the rail lines so they can use as pedestrian crossing. Any caution?
Yes, I mean, why do we engage in illegal acts that are dangerous to they themselves and the passengers or the train? This is the only way we have to travel with ease. And so we want to appeal to all Ghanaians who are settled along the rail tracks that they should please give us this space to be able to serve the larger Ghanaian population who want to travel in comfort.
The 99-kilometer railway stretch forms part of the Ghana-Burkina Faso Railway Interconnectivity Project, a major initiative to boost regional trade, logistics and passenger travel across West Africa. Joseph Armstrong, Good Alugbe TV3, Tema Mpakadan.
Abuja no me train no so nam kwan no so kono. Omu huni o ma bebre wo kwan no ho a ensem fata. A enche dia no transport minister no and as a transport ministry no o say omu tu for say e ma obi a nye bibia mfa mben railway no. It's as the train no e ba be ye adwuma pa effectively dia. Ene me sure say all those living along the railways, no, they should all be evicted because train who mistake kiti bi bana say e trifa railway no so ma mo won change ni wetimi a damagem nyina into the train about to stay pa na e ba be ye adwuma de a ene omo ye adwuma o train ho ni nyina no ye nsake o nyina fi say be train ho e betimi anda ho no kama na emfa atorenchem ana say ya odi bi anya den emba. I believe it's making sense, and I may cancel. I would say Mahama is working. I'm on Freka, NDC, Abai Papa. Fine, you're maybe all or more, ya. Ubet media can say Abai Papa, but just test right. Ghana for more pre-2, test right, take it. But Abai Papa by the only long starting making this comment, and and you know, say I can say the train no, if it has come to stay and kebe boa Ghana for bebre e ba say transporting of goods and services na train be boa bebre because car kwan no so nante bebre no accidents go slow traffic lights enso ato ama enso ashiri afa kwan so obekwa ko di traffic musa ukwa idima 6 am aba be duru fie 10:30 pm obi o area no hu a because abrantie be o hard work apa enso adwuma na ne kwan wa ebi akwan no nwa ba go slow nti wo kwa adwuma on bantem obi tifu because we hard work apa but ye kwan no na ebi a go slow ni traffic ni no mani we minti na kwa on bantem nti train we na aba ne de it will help a lot ebe boa pa na go slow ni sa traffic no akabi ni nyina e free system no e de amaye the train has come to stay. Kudos to John Dramani Mahama and then the NDC party and then the transport ministry nina. So matini collaborate this particular train about the existence Bima train about the Bejuma Ediama all Ghanaians. Obviously, what do you think? Shall I comment section on Councillor Lutterodt Blàsts GES say GES letter now mo dia koma Mr. Charles Akwasi Edu say wakwa ko miemia female student office na ti on free akonwa so nkotena nchen no so mo koma girl no so letter na girl no parents say to phone ni man no the phone ni school na charity begins at home ni ade who can salute a futu a man no papa de ma unyina enna ne o de bobra me so mu baby out na Abusia is a Ghana Sia launching new train. What do you make out of this? Sharing in a comment section honum. Na yemunya air cost a voting. We are now hit subscribe button. Now if you the bell notifications, what you have to on edit your mind. Say their next video, next upload, next update via ubenya notification. No one air cost off and then on media no see. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there and then see you again very soon.